Hi, I'm Jeff Hirsch. I'm here at the Money Show with Dan Gramza, president of Gramza Capital Management, And we're going to talk a little bit about the current market situation. What's going on out there? It's pretty crazy.
Well, it is pretty crazy, and it is a little befuddling in terms of the market action that we're seeing. But I guess I still feel, as many people do, if we look at the fundamentals first,
right? We
haven't seen anything that shows something that's sour, either in the United States, Asia, Europe. If you look at the fundamentals from those countries, they're still strong. Things are still positive here.
So what happened? So what created this upheaval?
It's a good question, and supposedly it's concern. And here's what I feel about that, Jeff. And we saw the markets coming down with this idea of concern that the Fed may increase interest rates and it may have an impact on our economy and that. Well, first, I don't believe long-term changes occur on concerns or the anticipation of a future event. One, the Fed hasn't changed anything yet. And if the market's reacting to that concern, there's nothing behind it.
So then what happened? What caused it? What made the market fall apart this week?
I think there's a few things going on there for us. One is the anticipation of a correction. Everybody's been waiting for this correction. And then this idea of a concern becomes an excuse. And once it starts to fall, we know they have a tendency to come off pretty quickly. I felt just a few days ago that there was a good possibility buyers may be coming in. Well, we're not seeing it.
Not quite yet.
That's right.
We do have February being a weak month of the year.
Yep.
We were very extended above the trend line, and a couple little things spooked the market, and everyone ran for the exits.
But I think what you just said, that's very insightful, because it is a spook more than it is a fundamental-driven change. So what does that mean for us? And it means that I'm looking for levels, that we can start finding some buyers coming back in, some clues, and then to see how we follow through.
So what should people do right now? What are you telling your clients?
From a personal point of view, if I'm on the short side right now, I will be, but if I'm on the short side of that market, nothing telling me to buy it back yet.
Right.
But I want you to know, just a few days ago, I tried doing it, and it failed. The key for it is once you look for an area where buyers may be coming in, it's the next 3 to 5 days, I think, that are critical.
And that's what we're in right now.
Exactly. So right now,
regular investors, what are they doing? Mom and pop.
Mom and pop, if I have a portfolio, long-term portfolio, that's my investment portfolio, I'd leave it alone.
Exactly.
I would not do anything with it.
Dan.
You're welcome.
Appreciate it. Thank you for joining us.